Hey guys, a lawnmower repair guy here. Today's Monday, and this is the first piece of equipment that I'm going to work on. Champion generator comes in for a electric start not working and a tune-up. So I came over, I pull started it just to see if to make sure the machine ran. Turned the battery on, the light came on. I used the button to verify the electric start works with the battery charger on there. So this machine needs a battery and it's going to get a full tune-up. So it's going to be a carb clean loop, air filter, pre-filter, spark plug, and oil change. So that's what we're going to do today. And just wanted to post a quick little short to show you guys what's up for today. Alright guys, have a good one. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks.